Nowadays, more and more people like to use this watch, but some of them don't know how to use it. This video will tell you how to operate this system. Firstly, we should press this 2K to power on this watch. Then we use this USB cable to connect to the power. Then we press this 2K to power. Now this screen will show REG BTN. That means we can register this transmitter. Then we press Enter key here. Then we disconnect this USB cable here. Then we use M and Enter key to adjust the number we want to set. For example, number 11 is the number we want to set. Then we press this transmitter. Here, press it. Okay. Then we use M key to adjust to number 12. Then we press this transmitter. Press M key to adjust this number to number 13. Press this transmitter. After all of the transmitter has been registered successfully, we press this 2K to exit this page. Now we press this button. Here, this screen will show number 12 call. Then we press this transmitter. Now this screen will show number 11 call. Then we press this one. Number 13 call. That's all.